Okay, students and friends, next types of sets. Next types of sets. Types of sets. Okay, so the first type is first type of the set is finite set. First set is finite set. So what is the finite set? Finite set. Finite. Finite means okay, countable. Okay. So a set having countable number of elements. A set containing countable number of elements. Then it is called the finite set. So one example for that, A is equal to set of A is equal to set of 1, 3, 6, 7, 4, 9, 10, 12, 15, 27, 1 subset. Okay, A is equal to, example for the set, students and friends, 1, 3, 6, 7, 4, 9, 10, 12, 15, 27. Okay, so how many elements here, countable or uncountable? So countable number of elements, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Countable number of elements, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So n of A is equal to 10. Okay, n of A means cardinal number. Cardinal number means, what is cardinal number, students and friends? Okay, so cardinal number means the number of the elements in the set is called cardinal number. Number of the elements. How many elements here? 10 elements. So n of A is equal to 10. N of A is equal to 10. So n of A is equal to 10 means here countable or uncountable? Countable number of elements. So this is called finite set. Okay. One more example. Okay. Example. This is one example. The second example is even prime number set. Even prime number set. Even prime number set. So students and friends, even prime numbers means how many even prime numbers in number system? Only one. 2 is okay. How many elements? Only one element. 2 is the even prime number. 2 is even number and prime number. So suppose even prime number set. Suppose B set. Suppose B set. B is equal to set of 2. B is equal to set of 2. So how many elements here? Only one element. Countable or uncountable? Countable number of elements. N of B is equal to here. N of B is equal to 1. Only one element. So that means this is countable or uncountable? Countable number of elements. This is also finite set. So this is also finite set. Okay, students and friends, the next one is infinite set. The second one is infinite set. Infinite set. So infinite set means a set containing uncountable number of elements. Okay, so does not count. Here the elements are not countable, uncountable elements. So infinite set means a set containing uncountable number of elements. Suppose one example, okay, natural number set. Natural number set. Natural number set. Okay, so natural numbers are actually denoted by capital N. N is equal to set of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on to. These are natural numbers. So natural number set is infinite set because 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on to uncountable number of elements. Uncountable number of elements. So infinite set means uncountable number of elements. Okay, that is infinite set. One more example for that. One more example. Prime number set. Prime number set. prime numbers set. Prime number set. Prime number set also, okay, infinite set because uncountable number of elements. Uncountable number of elements. Okay, so prime number set. Suppose C set C is equal to set of set of 2, 3, 5, 7 and so on to uncountable prime numbers also. So prime number set is also, okay, infinite set. Natural number set is infinite set. Next whole number set is infinite set. Integer set, rational number set, real number set. Okay, so complex number set, all are infinite sets. Okay, third one is singleton set. Singleton set. Yes, answer is here. Singleton. Single means one element only. Okay. So a set containing only one element. A set having only one element. Okay. Then it is called a singleton set. Okay. So what is the best example for the singleton set? The best example for the singleton set is even prime number set. Even prime number set. Example is even prime number set. Even prime numbers set. Even prime number set. Okay, so even prime number set. Suppose E is equal to set of 2 only. Even prime number. This is only here one element. Only one element. So this is the singleton set. Best example for the singleton set. Okay, right? So one more example. Okay, example 2. Example 2. A is equal to set of 5. A is equal to set of 5. This is the singleton set. This is the singleton set. Okay. So singleton set means a set containing only one element. Set containing only one element. That is called the singleton set. The best example for the singleton set is even prime number set. Even prime number set. Next, the fourth one is null set. Null set or empty set. Empty set or void set. Void set. Null set or empty set or void set. Okay. So what is the null set? Okay, very most important. So null set means students and friends. Okay, a set containing no elements. A set containing no elements or a set having no elements, that is called empty set. That is called empty set. Okay, set containing no elements. Elements same undavu manaki. So suppose A is equal to set of, just write set of, empty set. A is the null set. Okay, A is the empty set. A is the void set. So empty set because no elements. A set containing no elements, then it is called what is that? Null set or empty set or void set. Okay, actually the null set is denoted by the letter pi. Null set is denoted by pi. Pi is equal to empty set. Null set is denoted by pi. Pi is equal to, okay, empty set. Okay, students and friends, for example, okay, one subset. What is the set builder form of null set? Okay, students and friends, one subset. Write the set builder form of, okay, or in rule method. Okay, write the set builder form of null set. How can you express? So one subset. Set builder form. Set builder form of pi is equal to, okay, null set ni mari set builder form lo ela express chestam. Pi is equal to x such that x not equal to x. Okay, x such that x not equal to x. How can it possible? x అనేటువంటి ఎలిమెంట్ ఉంది, మన ఆ ఎలిమెంట్ దానికి ఈక్వల్ అవ్వాలి. x not equal to x. How can it possible? Actually, suppose if you take 2, element 2. So 2 not equal to 2. Is it possible? Not possible. Suppose 3. Take 3. 3 not equal to 3. Is it possible? Okay, that is also not possible. So empty set builder form of pi means x such that x not equal to x. That is the set builder form of null set. Okay, next type of sets, subsets. What is subset? Next one is subsets. Okay, so subsets means one subset. Let a comma b are two sets. Let a comma b are two sets. If the elements of set A, are also in the set B, if the all elements of set A, are also in the set B, then A is subset of B, then it is denoted by A subset of B, one subset. So then it is denoted by A subset of B. Okay, students and friends, okay, if the all elements ante A lo unna elements anni kuda B lo undali, A lo unna elements anni B lo undali. If all elements of set A are also in the set B, okay, so it is denoted by A subset of B. So one example for that example is A is equal to set of 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, next B is equal to set of 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Okay, students and friends, so A set is 1 2 3 4 5, B set is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Okay, so A లో ఉన్నటువంటి ఎలిమెంట్స్ అన్ని, all the elements of A set, okay, are also the elements in the B set. Okay, here all elements are belongs to in B set. B set లో కూడా ఉన్న ఎలిమెంట్స్ అన్ని. Okay, so this time A is the subset of B. A is the subset of B. A is subset of B. Okay, it is denoted by. So one more example for that. One more example. One subset here. A is equal to second example is natural number set is the subset of whole number set. Natural number set is the subset of whole number set, is the subset of integers, is the subset of rational numbers, is the subset of real numbers. One subset here. Natural numbers, okay, subset of natural number is subset of whole numbers. Okay, whole numbers is subset of integers. Integers are subset of rational numbers. Rational numbers are subset of real numbers. Okay, one subset. Okay, so natural numbers subset of whole number. Actually, natural numbers are starting with 1 2 3 4 5 and so on. Starting with 1. Whole numbers starting with 0. Next, integers are, okay, positive numbers and negative numbers along with 0. So rational numbers P by Q form. So all natural numbers are rational, all whole numbers are rational, all integers are rational. Okay, all rational numbers are real numbers. Okay, students and friends, this is subset form. Example for that. Next one is proper subset. So proper subset means A comma B are two sets. A comma B are one subset. A comma B are two sets. A if A comma B are two sets, okay, A subset of B, okay, condition is A subset of B, okay, but A not equal to B, one subset. If A comma B are two sets are two sets, A subset of B, A subset of B, A is the subset of B, okay, but A not equal to B, A అనేది B కి ఈక్వల్ అవ్వకూడదు, A అనేది B కి సబ్సెట్, but A not equal to B, A అనేది B కి ఈక్వల్ అవ్వకూడదు. So one example for that, okay, so this is the best example, this is the best example. One subset example is A is equal to set of 1 2 3, B is equal to set of 1 2 3 4, one subset. Every element of A set is also the element of in B set, okay, actually 1 belongs to A, 2 belongs to A, 3 belongs to A, okay, one subset, okay, so 1 is belongs to A, students and friends, 1 is the element in the A set, so that is expressed or denoted by 1 belongs to A, 2 belongs to A, 3 belongs to A, okay, 1 2 3 elements, 3 elements are belongs to A set, so in B set 1 belongs to B set, 1 is also belongs to B set, 2 is also belongs to B set, 3 is also belongs to B set, okay, so element to set expression, this is the expression between the elements and sets, okay, so 1 belongs to B, 2 belongs to B, 3 belongs to B, so every element of the A set is also the element of in B set, so A strictly subset of B, A strictly subset of B, okay, so but okay, one example, one subset here, C is equal to set of 1 2 3, D is equal to set of 1 2 3, one subset, this example, students and friends, okay, see here one subset, every element of C set is also the element of in B set, okay, so C subset of B, D, C subset of D here, C subset of D, and C subset of B, and C is equal to D also here, C subset of B, C లో ఉన్న every element D set లో ఉంది, C అనేది D కూడా ఈక్వల్ అవుతుంది, సో ఇలా ఈక్వల్ అయితే this is not a proper set, proper subset, this is not a proper subset because C subset of D, okay, but C is equal to D, actually C not equal to D according to the condition, not equal, and ఈ రెండు ఈక్వల్ అవ్వకూడదు, ఈక్వల్ అయితే మనకి ఏమవుతుందంటే not a proper subset, so proper subset means strictly subset here, okay, so not a proper subset means not strictly, okay, subsets. Next type is equivalent sets, not equal sets, equivalent sets. So equivalent sets means one subset here, just here only cardinal numbers are equal, okay, take the two sets, example, A is equal to set of 1 comma 2 comma 3, B is equal to set of small p small q small r, okay, so p q r, so students and friends, A is equal to equivalent sets means same cardinal number of two sets only, cardinal numbers are equal, okay, so cardinal numbers are equal but elements are not same, okay, either same or not same, that is, okay, so n of A is equal to one subset, n of A is equal to 1 2 3 3 elements, next n of B is equal to 3 elements, so cardinal number 3, so cardinal numbers are same, n of A is equal to n of B. N of B. So these type of sets are called equivalent sets. Equivalent sets. Okay. Equivalent sets. Next, one subset here. What are called equal sets? What are called equal sets? Equal sets means okay, two sets having the same elements, and same cardinal number, Okay, students and friends, okay, A is equal, for example, A is equal to set of 1, 2, 3, and B is equal to set of 1, 2, 3. Okay, students and friends, A is equal to set of 1, 2, 3, B is equal to set of 1, 2, 3. So A and B, two sets. So these are equal sets. Equal sets. Why? Because cardinal numbers are same. Elements are same. First here. Elements are same. Elements same. Okay. Next, same number of cardinal elements. Okay. Next, n of A is equal to. Next one is n of B. N of A is equal to n of B. Elements same. Next, cardinal numbers also same. So these type of sets are called equal sets. Okay, students and friends, equal sets. So equivalent sets, equal sets. So what is observed here? All equal sets are equivalent sets. All equal sets are equivalent sets. But all equivalent sets are, okay, need not be equal sets. All equivalent sets are need not be equal sets, but all equal sets are equivalent. Okay, equivalent means just cardinal number equal. Just cardinal number of the sets are equal. So, but here cardinal number equal and number of same elements also. Same elements, same cardinal number. Okay, equal sets. Power of the set. Power of the set. So power of the set means let A be the any set. Let A be the any set. Okay. So write the all possible subsets of a set. Write all possible subsets. But these all possible subsets are the elements of the big set. These all possible. First of all, write the all possible subsets. Okay. Suppose one example. A is equal to set of 1, 2. A is equal to set of 1, 2. Okay. So write all possible subsets. Write the subsets. So subsets of A is equal to set of 1. First write one element, set of 1. Next set of 2. Okay, set of 1. Next set of 2. Next set of 1, 2. Right? First of all, one element, set of 1, set of 2, set of 1, 2. Okay. Next pi. One subset here, every set is the subset of itself. So set of 1, 2 is also the subset of A. So every set is subset of itself and null set is the subset of the every set. Null set is the subset of the every set. Pi subset of A, pi subset of B, pi subset of C. So null set is the subset of every set. Okay, and another condition is every set is subset of itself. Okay, here we have to note these 2 points. First one is every set is subset of itself. That means here, okay, the first one is A subset of A, B subset of B, C subset of C. Okay, so X subset of X, x subset of x. So every set is subset of itself, and the second node point is okay. So null set is the subset of every set. Pi subset of A, pi subset of B, pi subset of C, pi subset of C. Okay, so that means null set is the subset of the every set. So here remember these 2 points here. So every set is subset of itself, and null set is the subset of every set. Okay, students and friends. Okay, so totally how many sets here? 1, 2, 3, 4. Totally possible subsets are 4. Total possible subsets are 4. Okay, so one subset here. Power of the set means so the elements of the set is okay, subsets of the given set. The elements of the set is subsets of the given set. That set is called the power of the set. That means very simple. These subsets are okay, power of the set means P of A. P of A, it is denoted by P of A. Power of the A is equal to set of 1, set of 2, set of 3, set of 1 2, set of 1 comma 2, pi. One subset here. Okay, so all possible subsets are okay elements of the big set. That big set is called the power set. Okay, have you understood, students and friends? Once again listen. Okay, given set is A1 comma 2. Okay, so write the all possible subsets. So possible subsets are, write first of all one element. Okay, set of 1, set of 2. Next, write two elements with two elements. Set of 1 comma 2 and null set. So null set is the subset of the every set. And another condition is every set is subset of itself. So write all possible subsets first of all, right? Next, the power set is the okay. So the elements of the subsets of a big set, that is called the power set. Okay, students, once and observe here, number of the subsets. Number of subsets. Okay, a set containing okay n elements, suppose. Okay, a set containing suppose n elements, and that means cardinal number n of a is equal to n. Cardinal number n of a is equal to n. Okay, a set containing n elements. Okay, a set లో మనకి n elements ఉన్నాయి. ఓకే, మరి ఎన్ని సబ్సెట్స్ మనం లిస్ట్ అవుట్ చేయగలుగుతామంటే number of the possible subsets of a given set is equal to 2 to the power of n formula. 2 to the power of n. Number of the subsets formula is 2 to the power of n. Okay, n is the number of the elements in the given set. One subset example observe here. A is equal to set of 1 comma 2. Okay, how many elements here? Here n of a cardinal number is 2. N of a is equal to, okay, n of a is equal to means n value 2. So 2 square value 4. So totally how many subsets? 4 subsets. 1 2 3 4. Totally 4 subsets. So 4 answer. To the power of n formula. Given set containing 2 elements. So 2 power 2. Given set containing 100 elements, 2 power 100. Given set containing 200 elements, 2 power 200. Given set containing 1000 elements, 2 power 1000. So that is the formula, number of the subsets, 2 to the power of n formula. Okay, so 2 to the power of n. Next, number of the elements in the power set. Number of elements in the power set n of p of a is equal to n of p of a is equal to number of the elements. Here elements are, okay, what are the elements here? Subsets are elements here. Okay, so all possible subsets are elements here. So number of the subsets formula 2 power n. So here subsets are the elements. So number of the elements in the power set means, so number of the elements means what are the elements here? Subsets are elements here. Subsets are elements. So therefore number of the elements in the power set is equal formula, same formula to the power of n. To the power of n formula. Okay, suppose a set containing a set A is equal to set of 1 comma 2. Okay, so 2 square, that means 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 elements. Okay, so number of the elements in the power set, okay, is equal to same formula to the power of n, because the elements of a power set is okay, subsets of the given set. Subsets of the given set. So number of the subsets is equal to number of the elements in the power set. Number of the elements in the power set. So formula is to the power of n. Okay, students.